Go there.
Alright. Okay. Hello, bro. Hello, sis. Hi.
Halo,
Halo,
Alright. Good
halo bro.
morning.
good
Good morning,
Good
morning,
all.
morning.
bro.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Sorry, everybody. I disturb your time. I disturb your weekend time, yeah, everybody, because today we have a class and it's an hour, yeah, everybody, at 10 to 11. Okay, so today's next meeting and it's about presenting tutorials, yeah. Anyway, are you ready, guys, with your tutorials?
Ready?
Okay. All right. Okay, ya. So I need to explain it first. Saya jelaskan ulang sedikit ya. Maybe some of you didn't join yesterday and some of you didn't watch the video recordings maybe ya. Mungkin ada yang belum ikut kemarin dan juga tidak menonton video rekamannya. I need to re-explain, guys. Saya jelaskan sedikit aja. It's in highlight ya. I will open the slides. It's 10th meeting, guys. Ini pertemuan ke 10 and it's about mini exam day like this one. Oke, mini exam itu ujian ya. Mini exam berarti ujian pertengahan kita untuk pertemuan ke-10. It's about presenting simple tutorial, everybody. Mempresentasikan tutorial sederhana ya. Ya, these ones are the examples. Ini contohnya how to make iced coffee kemarin ya, how to cook fried rice, how to edit videos on CapCut, how to improve English vocabulary, how to make a daily schedule, and the other ones. Di mana di sini diawali dari how to semuanya ya. How to itu artinya adalah bagaimana cara. Nah, that's how to. Bagaimana cara. Okay. And here is the example, guys. Ini contohnya ya. How to. This one. How to make iced coffee, for example. Nah, jangan lupa ya, greeting ada setidaknya sapaan teman-teman. Okay, and then what is your goal? Apa tujuan teman-teman hari ini? Yaitu tell about how to bla bla bla. And then the next one is the steps, langkah-langkahnya. And the last one is ya closing ya. Ada opening tadi, greeting, sapaan. Terus ada closing. Closingnya thank you gitu aja itu sudah benar. Oke ya, just raise your hand. Teman-teman silahkan diangkat tangannya. And I really hope that you can open your camera ya guys. Teman-teman bisa on cam karena beda rasanya kalau speaking off cam and on cam like that one. Oke, siapapun itu boleh langsung diangkat tangannya bagi teman-teman yang sudah siap. Bisa langsung saya kasih koreksian sekaligus teman-teman ya. Oke, Sis Nadila is the first one. Halo Sis Nadila.
Hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning Sis Nadila. So, what is your tutorial anyway? What
My name,
tutorial?
my name is Nadila. I want to tell you about how to save money.
Okay, how to save money ya. Okay. So
Yes.
please tell us in detail, start from the first until the end.
First, I want to tell you about how to save money. First step, you can set a saving goal. You can write in the book. And the second step, you save a small amount money every day. Next, put your money in the piggy bank or saving account, and you avoid buying unnecessary thing. And finally, you'll be consistent and you patient until you reach your goal. And the last, by you following these steps, you can save money successful. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you, Sis Nadila. It's how to save money ya. We can use piggy bank also, right? Anyway, do you do it in your daily life?
Sorry?
Do you do it in your daily life?
Yes, because
Oh,
I want to watching concert
oh,
and I
okay.
save money.
Oh, I see. So you like watching concert ya? Okay. I think that's quite good ya. Thank you, Sis Nadila. A bit correction, sedikit aja correction. Tadi kalau bilang tidak perlu tadi apa ya? It's
Avoid.
Avoid itu menghindari. Aha. Kalau
Avoid
avoid,
unnecessary
ah,
things.
oke, good ya. Kalau avoid menghindari, tapi kalau tidak perlu itu unnecessary.
Yeah,
Unnecessary.
unnecessary thing.
Yes. Unnecessary thing berarti sesuatu yang tidak perlu. Like that one. Thank you, Sis Nadila. Good.
Yes,
That's it, guys. Gitu aja, guys ya. Teman-teman yang lain
thank
silakan
you.
diangkat tangannya. Yes, okay, you did it. The next ones, come on, Sis Najma. That's your turn. Please, sister.
Hello everyone, today I want to tell you how to make chocolate brownies. First, prepare a container, add 3 eggs, 10 tablespoons of sugar, a quarter, a quart, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, beat using a mixer. Second, add the melted chocolate bar and margarine. Next, add the flour and cocoa powder. Then beat the mixture using a mixer until smooth. After that, pour it into a baking pan that has been greased with margarine. Afterward, put the baking sheet into the hot oven until cooked. Finally, the brownies are ready to be served. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sis Najma ya. Chocolate brownies ya in this case. Okay. Is it your favorite butter snack maybe?
Yes, and my younger brother.
Your younger brother's favorite. Okay, good. Alright, a bit correction ya. Coba tadi kalau bilang hari ini apa, Sis Najma?
Today.
Today,
Today.
okay. Today ya, alright. Nah, mungkin satu aja yang perlu saya koreksi ketika di akhir bilang siap disajikan ya. Disajikan itu tulisannya served, tapi bacanya bukan served, bacanya served. Gitu. Coba boleh
Served.
diterkan Sis Najma, served, served.
Served.
No, bukan served, tapi served.
Serve.
Nah, itu dia bacanya ya. Jadi bukan served. Oke,
Like,
served artinya disajikan.
yeah.
Thank you, Sis Najma ya. Overall, that's great from you. Thank you so much. The next, let me give to Sis Siti ya for the third one. Okay, hello, Sis Siti. Sorry, still being muted, Sis Siti. Masih di mute. Okay, click it. All right, please. Hello.
Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you how to memorize the Quran quickly and affordable. First, before memorizing, you have to make sure the makhraj and tajweed are correct because the correct reading will be easy to pronounce and remember. Next, second step is to use a single type of mushaf to make it easier for brain visual memories. The third step in using the Tikro method is not to immediately memorize a full page. Divide it into several sections, for example, 2 to 3 lines. Step 4, listening to Murotal. This helps the ears and brain get acclimated to the tone and deliver for first. Fifth, once you have memorized the verse of the Quran, practical regular murojaah because quick memorizing it will easily be forgotten if not repeated, and don't practice during prior to reference memorize. Thank you.
Thank you so much ya, Siti. Very good memorizing Quran in this case, right? Okay, that's nice. Okay, is it your daily, Sis Siti? Daily is like keseharian ya?
Yes.
Oh, you memorize Quran, ya?
Yeah, yes.
Alright, okay. So maybe I can say that you are a hafizah, ya, in this case. I know it, and very good, ya. Thank you, si Siti. A bit correction, sedikit aja correction untuk si Siti, ya. Tonton yang lain boleh dicatat juga, ya. The first, nah cara bilang ingin itu bukan when. Tadi I went to. Nanti kalau nggak percaya coba diputar ulang videonya, ya. Jadi bukan I went tapi I want. Want itu ingin, kalau when itu pergi tapi lampau. Jadi beda arti. Next, menghafal, memorize, ya. Tadi di awal bilang memories. Kalau memories itu kenangan, ya. Tulisannya seperti ini nih, memories. Nah, ini kenangan. This one. Tapi kalau menghafal tulisannya begini, ini artinya menghafal, bacanya memorize. Kemudian tipe, nah itu type, ya, bukan tipe tapi type. That's it. Nah, next, kemudian untuk CCT ketika bilang pertama tadi sudah benar first, ya, kedua second, ketiga third, benar. Nah, keempat ini bukan step four tapi kita ikut yang sebelumnya. Jadi
Oh, iya.
keempat itu fourth gitu ya.
Iya.
Fourth. Nah, tadi kelima sudah benar juga tuh fifth gitu. Jadi tadi yang keempatnya aja harusnya lebih paralel gitu ya. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Dan yang terakhir ketika bilang selama itu bukan daring ya, tapi during. Jadi U tetap U di sini, during. Thank you Siti ya, thank you so much.
Thank you
Amazing from
koreksinya,
you.
bro.
Okay, you're welcome, sister. Next, Bro Harso, it's your turn. Hello, Bro Harso. Good morning.
Halo, Bro Koko.
Hello. Are you ready, Bro Harso?
Yes,
Okay, please you can do your best.
I want to share about healthy life habit
Okay,
in my version.
please.
Okay, the first, don't sleep late night. Maybe maximum at 11 p.m. The second, you can eat your last main course until 6 to 7 p.m. Okay. The third, when you wake up in the morning, firstly keep lay down on your bed and stretch your body, rotate your twist, your ankle until about 10 minutes. After that, you can get up and go to the bathroom. Before to go to the bathroom, you can drink a cup of warm water and then go to bathroom. Bathroom, yeah. The fifth, better to pray as your belief. To memulai apa itu? Memulai hari.
To begin.
To begin your day. And the sixth, breakfast with minimum carbo. The seventh, stop consume the sugar. The eighth, enjoy your day life. The ninth, make good relationship with everyone and avoid the conflict. And the 10, be yourself version, not because everybody. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Bro Harsa ya. It's about healthy life. Okay, do you do all tips that you mentioned, Bro Harsa, in your life?
Of course. That is my habit.
Oh, so that's why you know well, yeah, because it's based on your experience too, right?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Bro, that's amazing. That's good from you. Tadi ada kata memulai, satu kata di mana Bro Harsa mungkin lupa atau kata baru. Saya kira untuk bukan baru ya, tapi kadang kita blank di satu kata, dua kata. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Begin ya tadi untuk memulai, like that one. Oke, memulai begin. Kemudian, nah before go sebenarnya ini sudah benar bisa dipahami. Tapi kalau mau pakai struktur yang benar-benar benar gitu ya, setelah
Yeah, yeah.
before kalau diikuti kata kerja itu diingkan, jadi before going.
Okay, thank you.
Before sleeping, before going, before studying, nah, biasanya gitu. Oke, nanti ya itu ada di bulan keberapa ya, kedua atau enggak ketiga. Kalau teman-teman lanjut kelas, nanti ketemu sama materi
Gerund.
bukan, ya preposisi sama gerund. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you, Bro Arsel. Thank you so much. That's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, the next, let me give it to another one. Yeah, sister. I think Sis Salsa for the next one. Hi, Sis Salsa. Are you there? Okay.
Sorry, Salsa or Asha?
Sis Salsa.
Oh,
Yes, you.
okay.
Okay,
Good morning.
so ready
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
please.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to show you how to make a TZ roasted milk tea that recently went viral on TikTok. First, prepare the ingredients. 2 pieces of Tongji black tea or about 7 tablespoons of tea leaf, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 700 ml of fresh milk, 200 ml of evaporated milk or 6 grams of fiber cream. Now let's begin. First, roast the tea leaf and sugar in a pan over a low heat. Stir until the sugar melts and become caramelized. Next, slowly pour in the fresh milk while stirring. Then cook the mixture over low heat for about 5 minutes and do not let it boil. After that, add the evaporated milk or fiber cream and stir well. And then strain the tea to remove the tea leaf. And finally, let it cool and store it in the refrigerator overnight. Serve it with ice cube. That's all. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. So I just want to ask you one question out of the topic, of the what we call it, tutorial. Do you often speak in English in your daily, Sis Elsa?
No, but I like
Shadowing?
to make a convo with myself in English
Oh,
to learn English better.
very good. That's why I can see from your pronunciation, that's very nice. Bagus ya pronunciation-nya, tidak ada yang perlu saya koreksi dari pelafalannya. Nah, because I can see that maybe someone who practice lots, so can get something better. And you did it. Thank you, Sis Elsa. Yeah, thank you so much. No correction, I think. Thank you so much. That's very good.
Thank you, bro.
Next, welcome. Next, Bro Nanda Robi. Hello, Bro Nanda.
Halo, bro.
Okay, so this is your turn. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Bismillah.
Okay, please.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Thank you the good opportunity for me. And this time I want to teach you or explain you how to boil the tempe, right? And you must prepare ingredients and tools. The first, you must buy a tempe, and then you prepare the water and the salt, and the last put or panci. Okay. And step one, first you cut the tempe into pieces or leave it whole as you prefer, and rinse briefly under running water. You can clean the tempe under water before you cook it. And then the second step, put the tempe into a pot and add enough water to cover it completely. So the water cover the tempe completely. And then the third step, add a piece of salt and just a little bit. And then the fourth step, bring the water to a boil over medium heat Once it boils, lower the head and let it simmer. Okay, you can leave it. And five step, you can cook for about 10 or 5 minutes. Okay, and lower a head or yeah, and then six step, turn off the head, drain the water, and use your tempeh is ready to be used or cooked future, or you can eat it. And maybe this is how to boil the tempeh. And thank you.
Thank you, very good ya. That's nice. It's about making Indonesian food ya, tempe in this case. Alright. Oke,
Ya.
thank you Bro Nanda. A bit correction, sedikit aja koreksiannya. Saya taruh di sebelah kanan ya. Tadi cara baca menjelaskan, nah bukan explain tapi explain, explain. Jadi pakai A gitu ya, explain. That's it. Nah, kemudian tempe, boleh nggak sih kita bilang tempe? Boleh aja guys ya, karena tidak di semua negara tempe itu ada ya. Jadi boleh kita bilang tempe. Tapi kalau mau di bahasa Inggris kan juga ada versi bahasa Inggrisnya, yaitu fermented soybean cake. Atau biasa kita bilangnya cuma soybean cake, itu boleh. Artinya tempe. Next, tadi, sorry, it's not panic ya, tapi panci tadi ya. Pot ya bacanya. Tadi Brananda agak ragu di put or pot gitu ya. Bacanya pot pakai O gitu ya. Pot is panci. The next, nah langkah kelima, 5 itu 5, tapi kalau kelima itu 5th. Jadi langkah kelima itu 5th step. 5th step, that's it. Thank you,
Okay,
Brananda.
thank you. Yeah.
Okay, good job ya. The next one, let me give to another friend, Sistasia Bintang. Hello, sister.
Hello.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, please.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Today I will explain about how to cook instant noodles. The first, boil the water until it boils. Then add the instant noodles and aim. Add vegetable or chilies according to taste. And wait about 4 until 5 minutes until everything is cooked. Then add the seasoning to the bowl, and the noodles are ready to be aged. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much, Sistasia. It's about instant noodle ya in this case. Okay, maybe I just give you direct correction ya. Tadi ada kata memanaskan ya.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
boil the water until to boil.
Oh ya, oke. Ada kata ini ya, seperti ini. It's heat. Heat ya. Heat memanaskan. Yes. Oke. Tadi bacanya head ya, sedengar saya. Mungkin bukan head tapi heat. Nah, kalau boil itu bukan memanaskan, boil itu mendidihkan atau apa sih? Iya, merebus, that's it. Merebus, mendidihkan, nah itu boil. Okay, but overall, thank you, sis Tasha ya. Good job from you. The next, Bro Fadil. Let me give it to Bro Fadil. Hi, bro. Long time no talk, bro.
Halo, bro.
Okay. Are you ready, bro? Please.
Ready, bro.
Okay. Come on.
Tutorialnya sama yang kayak tadi nggak apa-apa ya, bro?
No problem.
Kebetulan sama.
It's okay, bro. No problem.
Thank you, bro. Hello, everyone. Today I want to tell you how to cook noodle. First, boil 400 milliliter of water. Second, add the noodles to the boiling water. Next, cook for 5 minutes. After that, drain the water and add the seasoning. Finally, mix well and it is ready to serve. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you bro, thank you so much ya. Coba satu aja ketika tadi bilang kedua apa bro? Kedua?
Second.
Itu yang benar itu bro. Second ya. Tadi masih dibaca second gitu. Second ya, yang benar. Oke, thank you bro. Thank you so much. Very good ya from you. The next, let me give it to another
bro.
sister ya. Sis Talita Nashwa. Halo, Sis Talita. Are you there?
Hello.
Okay, this is your turn. Ready?
Ready?
Please.
Okay, hello, good morning everyone. My name is Talita Nashwa Iskandar Putri. You can call me Talita. Okay, today I want to tell you how to make a sambal in my style. Why in my style? Because if I want sambal, I always make this sambal. This is a simple sambal. We just need 3 ingredients, garlic, shallots, and chilies. I usually use 1 clove of garlic, 2 to 3 clove of shallots, and 10 to 20 chilies. I mix curly red chilies and bird eye chilies, but I usually use more curly red chilies so I can enjoy the spiciness. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. First, wash the garlic, shallots, and chilies until it's really clean. Second, grind the garlic first, then grind the shallots until smooth. Third, put and grind the curly red chili first. Don't forget to cut the curly chilies because curly chilies are long. Then you can put and grind the bird eye chilies after that. Next, grind until you get the texture you want. I usually still go for a cross texture, but if you like it smooth, you can grind it longer. And finally, you can add the salt, MSG, and sugar according your taste. And voila, your sambal is ready. But if you don't like the raw sambal, you can fry or steam the ingredient first. Thank you.
Thank you so much ya. I don't have any correction ya to you. Maybe just about maybe say sambal ya. Sambal, it's okay. We can say sambal, or maybe in the English is condiment ya, condiment, sister. Oke, jadi di beberapa kata guys, seperti makanan, minuman yang memang tidak ditemukan di banyak negara atau di negara lain, kita boleh menyebutkan dengan nama itu sendiri ya. For example, misalnya batagor gitu kan nggak ada bahasa Inggrisnya. That's it. Nah, so batagor ya batagor like that one. Tapi kalau untuk sambal, mungkin ada ya bahasa Inggrisnya, kita bisa bilang condiment. Oke, thank you, sister. Very good ya from you. The next, let me give it to bro again. After sister is bro Ahnaf, you raise your hand and open cam. So, ready, bro?
Ready, bro.
Okay, please, bro. Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Today, I want to show you how to create a billboard through the GPT chat application. It is quite simple. First, for example, I want to create a billboard with the gum selling perfume. I name the perfume brand, upload a picture of the perfume bottle to the GPT chat. Then describe the scent, mention its benefits, for example, long lasting, and mention that a 50 ml bottle costs only 30 35 rupiah. Then I ask them to work on it. After that, it's done. If there are if there is something wrong, with the billboard. Just step and we'll fix the error. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much ya, Bro Ahnaf. I think it's good, but just need to practice more and more ya. Tidak ada yang perlu saya koreksi dari kosakata oke, pelafalan oke, pola kalimat oke tadi ya. Cuman harus lebih banyak prakteknya biar lebih smooth aja ya. Thank you, bro. The next is Asya. That's the next one ya. Halo, Sis Asya. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hello.
so please.
Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about how to make a sandwich. First step, prepare a pan, slice cheese, 2 slices of bread, lettuce, tomato, egg, butter, and mayonnaise. Second step, warm up a pan, so apply a little butter on the bread so that the color turns brown. Third step, apply butter to the pan, crack the egg, so cook the egg until done. And fourth step, place the ini lettuce itu bacanya gimana, Bro?
Sorry?
Ini
Latest.
apa? Ya, lettuce.
Yeah, latest. Yeah, latest. Latest is
Lettuce.
terakhir,
Okay.
yes.
Place the lettuce on the one
Oh,
slice of
lettuce. Sorry, lettuce. Lettuce ya?
yeah,
Oh,
selada.
lettuce ya. Yeah, lettuce.
Lettuce.
Yes.
Oh, lettuce.
Lettuce,
Place
yes.
the lettuce on one slice of bread, tomato on the lettuce, fried egg on the tomato, and sliced cheese on the fried egg. Finally, apply the mayonnaise on the second of bread and close the sandwich with it. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Asya. Thank you so much. That's good from you ya. Lettuce tadi ya untuk bacanya. Sama
iya.
satu lagi, nah ini untuk teman-teman semuanya juga ya. Bagus dari Sis Asya. Mungkin saya taruh di sebelah kanan atas ini. Nah, ini
Oh iya.
kan bacanya the. Nah, ini egg, itu kan telur.
Oh iya.
Kalau setelah the itu adalah sebuah kata yang awalannya a, i, u, e, o ya, huruf vokal. Jadi the-nya dibaca the. Nah, jadi bukan the egg tapi the egg gitu. The egg like that.
Oh gitu.
Oke. Gitu ya, sama kayak kita bilang the artist. Nah, gitu. The apple like that. Oke, tapi seluruhnya oke ya dari Sis Asya. Thank you Sis Asya. Good.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so guys ya, there is an output of this activity actually. Jadi kemarin saya bilang ke teman-teman untuk mempersiapkan, you prepared ya, and then you did well ya in this case. And then next today you're asked to present. Hari ini teman-teman diminta untuk mempresentasikan. But it's because it's big class ya, ini kelas besar. So if in a small class, kalau kelas kecil it's like a regular class yang maksimal 15-20 participants. So kita nggak ada breakout room. Tapi karena untuk hari ini kita kelas besar ya, jadi kita harus ke breakout room. What should you do? Apa yang harus teman-teman lakukan di breakout room? You need to practice everybody. Sorry. You need to practice. Teman-teman silakan dipraktekkan untuk mempresentasikan seperti teman-teman yang tadi. Oke. Bagi yang sudah ataupun yang belum, semuanya harus praktek. Terutama yang belum ya, nanti dikasih space dulu. Tapi yang sudah tetap harus praktek, tapi mungkin di akhir dulu ya, dikasih ke teman yang belum dulu. That's it. Nanti saya akan muter ke room teman-teman, dan waktunya sekitar 10 menitan aja, nanti kita kembali ke sini. Saya jelaskan apa sih output atau final thing, sesuatu yang harus teman-teman lakukan dengan tutorial ini. Oke? Are you ready guys to practice with your friends for now? Ready?
Ready.
Let's go ya. Praktekkan lagi bagi yang sudah ya. Silakan semuanya harus praktek teman-teman. Praktek biar tidak cuma satu kali aja ya. Let's go. Okay, see you guys. Come on, let's go to the room.
Hello.
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 Nice to meet you all.
Halo, halo, halo. Halo, bro and sis. Okay, finish guys. You're practicing?
Finish.
Finish ya. Alright. Okay, before it ya, I really appreciate for you who opens your cam ya. Boleh dong teman-teman dinyalakan semua kameranya. Saya sudah mulai hafal nih ya dengan teman-teman. And finally ya, akhirnya di pertemuan ke-10 ini yang mungkin belum atau jarang menyalakan kamera, I can see your handsome face, your beautiful face ya. I finally see it. Okay, there are Bro Nanda, Sis Anita, Sis Siti ya. And then Bro Abdullah Harsha, Sis Asya, Sis Alisa, and then Sis Najma ya. And then the other ones dan teman-teman yang lain. I really appreciate everybody. Okay, good. And this is the time ya for all of us here. Dan ini waktunya saya jelaskan apa sih output dari tutorial ini teman-teman. Look at this. Yesterday ya, you're asked to prepare and you did it. Kemarin teman-teman diminta untuk mempersiapkan dan teman-teman sudah melakukannya. Thank you. Very good everybody. And then today, you're asked to present both in main room and also breakout room, and you did it. Dan hari ini teman-teman diminta untuk mempresentasikannya baik di main room ataupun di breakout room, and you dan teman-teman sudah melakukannya. Good. Oke, cuman sedikit koreksian ya untuk teman-teman. Boleh dong cara baca pertama tuh apa sih? What is pertama, guys?
First.
First ya.
Pertama.
Oke, first pertama ya. Oke, yang menjawab atau bilang fierce ya. Yang tadi fierce itu bukan fierce tapi first bacanya ya. Kalau yang kedua, what is kedua everyone?
Second.
Second ya. Nah, yang masih baca second, it's not second but second. That's it. Kalau ketiga, it's
The
Third.
third one.
third ya, third.
Third
Nah, yang
one.
tadi bilang number 3, nah, lebih oke sih guys, number 3 itu nomor 3, bener juga. Tapi kalau kita dalam speaking atau berbicara, biasanya kita pakainya first, second, third seperti itu. Fourth, nah itu ya. Dan kelima, yang kelima juga ya, tadi bukan five, tapi apa guys, kelima? Fifth ya. Fifth. Nah, like that one. Oke. Itu ya teman-teman. Dan yang terakhir, nah ini kita bilang thank you. Nah, itu tadi beberapa masih ada yang tanpa thank you ya. Jadi kita saling nunggu gitu. Finally, the coffee and the ice coffee is ready. Nah, beberapa teman akhirnya saling nunggu gitu. Thank you itu selain untuk berterima kasih karena sudah didengar ya, itu sebagai penutup juga. Jadi kita bilang thank you. That's it. Oke, good. Dan ini ya yang harus teman-teman lakukan untuk hari ini ya dengan tutorial masing-masing. Filming yourself in presenting your tutorial, guys. Then upload it on your Instagram story. This is not only this class participants ya, but all classes. Jadi ini bukan cuma kita aja yang melakukan, tapi di semua kelas ya, kelas online. Bahkan kelas offline juga ya, di Kampung Inggris. Sini nih, ini banyak juga anak-anak offline ya, yang mereka harus upload video. Bahkan lebih sering guys ya, it's just once a month, right? Kita kan satu kali ini aja mengupload video ke Instagram, dan ini satu kali ini aja dalam waktu 1 bulan gitu. Kalau teman-teman ikut kelas offline, terus seminggu bisa 2 kali, 3 kali bahkan ya. That's it. Oke? Jadi silakan memvideokan teman-teman, mempresentasikan tutorial. Bro, apakah harus sambil melakukan tutorial itu, misalnya membuat kopi, beneran ada kopi? No guys, tidak harus ya. Oke? Di depan kamera gini aja. Hi guys, my name is, ya ada perkenalan juga ya. Soalnya saya nggak tahu nih nama akun Instagram teman-teman apa, dan nanti kan nama nickname atau nama panggilannya ini bro atau si siapa, saya kan nggak tahu, bisa jadi kan beda. Disilakan mungkin nama dan biasanya dari mana gitu aja deh boleh. Hi guys, my name is Koko. I'm from Kediri. Nah, today I want to tell you about baru nanti tutorial. Oke ya, diupload ke Instagram Story aja, di mana Instagram Story ini satu kali 24 jam bisa hilang. Tapi kalau di postingan biasa boleh bro, boleh banget malah oke ya. Tapi kalau nggak mau di Instagram Story boleh. Jangan lupa di tag @speakingpartner dan juga Instagram saya ya @kokolentang24. Makanya di pertemuan pertama kalau teman-teman ingat, saya waktu itu mention ya, saya tuliskan Instagram saya. Kenapa? Karena memang ada tugas ini gitu guys. Jadi teman-teman bisa mention saya ya, atau tag saya di Instagram. Deadline-nya hari ini ya teman-teman at 7 PM. Jadi dibuat tutorial yang singkat saja, dalam arti kalau dirasa tadi, bro, tadi kayaknya kepanjangan tutorial saya. Disingkat aja guys, jadi nggak harus sepanjang itu juga boleh. Bahkan kurang dari 1 menit juga boleh. It's okay, no problem. Oke ya, so that's it. That's a challenge for all of you. Silahkan teman-teman, is there any question? Mungkin ada pertanyaan dari teman-teman untuk tugas ini, please.
Tadi Instagramnya apa kok?
Ini Instagram Speaking Partner itu @speakingpartner dan juga Instagram saya @kokolintang24. This one.
Tuh, mau nanya.
Oke, yes bro.
Ini agak sedikit bingung. Kalau misalnya first step kan nggak pakai S. Kalau misalnya second, third steps atau step?
Tetap step. Karena kalau first step, second step, third step itu kan ke satu step itu. Jadi step kedua, nah kedua aja. Step ketiga, gitu. Bukan 3 step, tapi step ketiga. Jadi tanpa S, gitu.
Kok step itu langkah ini ya, langkah-langkah gitu ya?
Langkah-langkah, benar.
Oke.
Nah, that's it. Jadi pertanyaannya, gini. Kalau saya mau bilang ada 5 langkah, gitu gimana guys? Ada 5 langkah. Ada itu there are ya?
There are 5 steps.
5 steps. Ini jumlahnya ada 5 kan? Benar nggak?
Oke.
Nah, ini baru ada S-nya. Tapi kalau misalnya langkah kelima berarti gimana?
Steps 5.
Kebalik. Fifth
step.
Stepnya ada S-nya nggak?
Oh iya.
No, without S.
Without S. Tanpa S karena hanya kelima aja. That's it. Gitu ya? Oke, welcome bro. Oke.
Bro.
Silakan, bro.
Kalau detik bacanya secondnya sama dengan second ya?
Sama persis. Sama. Second kedua sama second detik itu sama ya. Nah, di bahasa Inggris tuh ada beberapa kata yang memang satu kata maknanya lebih dari satu. That's it. Tapi bisa dipahami kalau dari satu kalimat ya. Misalnya kita bilang second step, gitu kan? Artinya apa guys? Second step? Langkah kedua. Nah, kan nggak mungkin langkah detik gitu kan? Nggak. Nah, jadi tergantung satu kalimatnya. Gitu, bro?
Iya, bro.
Okay, good. Oke, ada lagi nggak guys tentang mini exam ini? Atau ada lagi mungkin pertanyaan tentang tutorials?
Bro mau nanya.
Silakan, Sasha.
Oh ya, tadi kan memulai itu kan begin. Nah, terus perbedaan sama start itu apa?
Oke, start and begin ya. Start and begin. Nah, start itu mengawali ya, begin itu memulai. Biasanya yang paling umum digunakan ya, kalau start itu berhubungan dengan waktu. Oke. Tapi kalau begin itu berhubungan dengan aktivitas. Kayak misalnya guys, aku memulai for example, aku memulai di jam 7 gitu, gimana ya bahasa Inggrisnya? Aku memulai di jam 7.
I start at 7 o'clock.
Nah, I start at 7 o'clock gitu boleh ya, atau AM PM. Tapi kalau aku memulai berenang gitu gimana?
I begin
swimming.
Nah, itu ya, sis. Asya biasanya seperti itu. Start waktu, begin aktivitas. Oke?
Okay.
Alright, good. The next is who is that? Yang nama Zoom-nya Rainiswi. Halo.
Halo, Bro.
Yes, please. Sis.
Ya, Bro, aku mau tanya kalau detik kedua apa ya?
Detik kedua. Apa
Iya.
tuh? Detik kedua itu kan pas ya.
Second.
Second.
Yeah, the second. Atau the second ya, everybody.
Oh,
The second. Yes, like that one. The first
Begitu juga
second, the second.
begitu juga dengan seterusnya ya, detik ketiga, detik keempat.
Iya, detik ketiga berarti gimana? The third
The third second.
the third second, the fourth second gitu. Tapi biasanya tapi itu sangat jarang kita gunakan ya. Jadi biasanya kalau waktu itu mentok di menit sih biasanya. Ya, the first minute, second minute seperti itu. Tapi ya untuk kejuaraan lari gitu biasanya ya itu digunakan sih ya the second the second. Ya memang seperti itu.
Iya.
Oke?
Baik, thank you, Bro.
Oke, good. Oke, ya. So this is your task. Ini tugas teman-teman dan silakan ya nanti di-upload. Don't forget to tag at speaking partner. Sekali lagi jangan lupa di tag at speaking partner. And also me ya, biar saya juga tahu teman-teman siapa aja yang sudah upload. Dan nanti yang bisa cek adalah teman-teman dari speaking partner juga. Thank you guys. Thank you bro. Thank you sis. Is it clear everybody? Clear enough?
Bro.
Clear, bro.
Enough.
Thank you.
Thank
Happy
you for
weekend guys.
today.
Kita
Thank you,
yes,
bro.
you're welcome. Kita ketemu lagi di hari Senin. Saya tunggu videonya ya. Happy weekend to all of you. Senin kita bahas my future dream and future simple tense.
See you Monday, bro.
See you on
Okay,
the
thank
next
you.
Monday guys. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum
Thank you, bro.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye. Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you bro.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye bye.
And
lucu banget.
See you guys.
You.
You.
See you everyone.
See you.